Hey everybody, this is Libby with C Chats, and I wanted to quickly show you how I grow my sales and customers. So this is with using seller initiated offers in eBay. You can make this quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how. Hang with me for a second here. I'm going to show my screen, and I do this every morning. Okay. Takes about 3 minutes if you have it set up, and invariably it results in a sale. So you can see my screen here. So what I'm going to have you do, and I bookmark it in my browser. So I have it right that goes to the send offers page. So I would recommend go ahead and do that, and then just get in the routine of doing this every day. Okay, so it comes up in Seller Hub. These are all the listings that are available for send offers. Now, I had already done this once today, so I don't have a whole lot in here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so there's 21 results, 1 through 21. And what I do is I go ahead and I select all of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scan the list to see if I have any thing that's already on sale by looking at the current price. Okay, so if these two items are on sale, I'm going to uncheck them because I'm going to show you in a second. There we go. You're going to pop that up to send offers, and this is what we're doing in bulk. So my standard offer that I send is 15%. All right, so over here, this is the second part, is I have in Notepad a list of offers that I send out, a little notes that I put in with the offer to kind of personalize it. So never miss an opportunity for branding. So I'm going to choose one of these notes, and I am just going to cut and paste that right in here. And then this is cool. You don't need to do this, but you can also, as you're sending out the offer, send a coupon for future purchases. You can check out our other quick chat on sending coupons in eBay, but this is or setting them up. This is a really nice addition. So when this offer expires that I'm sending to its watchers and people that have heavily browsed the item, when I do that, when that offer expires, I can choose to send them a coupon. So I'm always going to do that. And you can also put a note in here that's your coupon message. So not only will they get the offer, if they don't take the offer, they will get a follow-up in a couple days with also a coupon. And you hit send, and that's it. We just sent off 19 offers. And you can see there are still 2 in my queue. So these were already discounted items. So I wanted to send a different percentage. So I'm going to do 5% on my already discounted items and cut and paste the message again in there, whichever message you choose. A lot of people have recommended changing up the message frequently. So just go into your notepad, try out what works for you. But again, don't miss an opportunity to put your business name out there. And I'm also going to send a coupon. Send. All right, so there you have it. That is what I do. You can do it, as many times a day as you have things in the queue. I've heard people say that it is great to send it frequently throughout the day. As you have new watchers, they're immediately going to get that offer. If you have somebody that's looking at your item that hasn't purchased, they are going to get that offer the more frequently you do it throughout the day. Hopefully this helps. We have other videos with tips and tricks on growing your sales. If you haven't heard our episodes on growing your customers and sales, go ahead, check them out. I will link those up for you. But happy sending offers. Thanks for joining Libby and Molly, the ladies of Consignment Chats, as we build a resourceful community of collaborative resellers. Find all the ways to connect with us at consignmentchats.com. Episodes are available on YouTube and anywhere you get your podcasts. In addition, you can find us on Facebook in our Consignment Chats community. Until next time.